guys, welcome back to the best video. I am gonna show you how you can download Epic Games. Yeah, Epic Games is a, like, you can say like, not an app or like a website, or you can say it's a software, not software probably. Just think of it like app type, like these things, Minecraft, like that. Okay, launcher where you can download like so many games like Fortnite, GTA 5, etc., Among Us, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Epic Games, and in that how you can download other games. Okay. So I'll show you one game. I'm not going to download, but I'll give you a quick walkthrough. Okay. So first you need to open your browser. I'm going to use Firefox because just okay, because Firefox, like, this is not my default browser. Okay. So now here I'm going to search Epic Games. Epic Games. You may go to Epic Games, but if I go, I already have Epic Games. Okay, I think, yeah, it's here. So I'll go to Epic Games download and just click on it. You can play, you can download Epic Games for mobile. So, but there are some specs you need to go through. So this is the site, like this it will come. I'll give you this link, this, as you can see, but I'll give you the Google one, not the Firefox. Okay, like this one will come, and there would you will be having only like, oh, probably one option only, download Epic Games. Okay, just click on it like this. And like it will ask me to save file. Here you go. Firefox downloads Epic like games. So this, okay, fine. So now just before till it's downloading, Google may take a time. I'm not sure. I'm not just don't know. Now you need to sign in. Okay. For signing in, you can use any of these things, but I recommend you to go with Epic Games or Google or Xbox. If you use PlayStation 4, you can go with that, or you can go to this Nintendo Switch. But I recommend you go with Epic Games, Google, or Xbox. So probably I have an Xbox account, so I'll just click on Xbox, and it will ask me to put my email and password. So probably I'll meet you after when I put my email and password. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Okay, probably I have done with my thing, and I think this is enough. Okay, yeah. So I'm done with signing in. As you can see, my account is there. I did with that only Xbox. If you have not signed in with, like, you have not even touched the Xbox from Google or your browser, then it will ask you to put your email and your password, email's password. Okay. So see, as you can see, the Epic Games installer is done. But my site file, it's in the site file. Don't worry. Okay. You don't need to download it. So for this, if you're using some other browser like Firefox, it will show you that like that. If you use Google and you have antivirus like my McCafe, then it will give you like some error box or like that. Just click on OK because this is safe. I'm having Epic Games for it too from 3-4 months. It didn't give me anything. Okay, it will give you preparing to install. But I'm using, as you can see on my taskbar and etc. I am using Windows 11, which is only a preview, like preview insider previewer of co_release. This you can download from anywhere. No, means you can go from Windows updater like CDT. Let's click on setting. Probably this is Windows 11, but just click on Windows update, and here it will, like, you can see. Okay, blah blah blah, something is that. So like, as you can see, it is asking me the destination folder. If you want to change, click install to continue. If you want to change the destination folder, just click on, like, you can't change, I think so, but because this is the new Windows and there are some different things of Windows. So if you don't want to change it, just don't change it. And if you just click on install, it will ask you administrator rights, and if you click on just yes, and then it will start downloading. Probably it won't take that much time, probably maximum, depending on your network speed, it will take probably 1.5 minutes, like that, somewhat like that. And then again in that you need to, it will take some more update, all the things will be there. And then you may probably, like, what can I say, you need to sign in that, and then after signing in you may download all the games. Maybe after signing you have to do some, like, yes process, like that, allow it, like administrative processes, and after that you are done. Okay, so probably I'll meet you after installing this game. Okay, this Epic Games. Okay, because it's probably mine. I may download it because this is Windows 11. So for me, this is preview version because it has some bugs. So that bug is affecting me. My downloads are super slow. So that is the reason I don't want to make the video long. This is just a tutorial video. Okay, fine, I'll meet you. Okay, actually, I'm done with my installation. I thought it will take right 2, 5, 10 minutes, but it didn't. Took it did soon. But it's okay. They said that there are bugs, but fine, it's okay. No, I'm not like insulting it, but this is just a preview version. So they are saying it will be releasing till the end of 2021. So just click on more option. I am doing like search for safety. So I'll just go on my launcher and click on open. I need to go home. So it will automatically appear for you when you just sign in, etc. But I just closed it, so it's for me like that. Okay. So it will take time for me. Also, it takes time. Like, bah, just leave it. I have my antivirus called McCafe. So in Google, it may give you some warning. Okay. So this is the screen after you do it. Okay. So now if I'm going to give you a walkthrough of downloading one game. So I have Fortnite. Right? So should I give you a walkthrough of Fortnite? It's very popular. What can I give you? Yeah. I'll give you Warface. Warface is free, I never thought. Okay, I'm gonna install Warface now because it's free. Okay, so this is how you can just go to store, just click on store, and then you need to scroll, or you can search also. So I'll give you search Warface. There are filters also. You can just click on the price, and then this things, like that. Okay, probably. There are a lot of games free which I'm now seeing. Like what I can say. This is also one free game, but I don't know about this game much. Maybe I'm gonna download this also. Okay, fine. I'll go back to browse and just click on Warface. This is some other. Just click on the game and like this it will come. You must check your PC spec means what is the recommendation and minimum specs for this game. The game. Okay, so for me, I'll go for the higher specs, which is recommendation Windows 10 or plus. I'm using Windows 10. It's okay. Fortnite is also Windows 10, but I can't play Fortnite. I don't know actually. I didn't try Fortnite playing. Oh my god. I proceed Core i5. I have it. I have Intel, so I have 8 GB RAM. I'm telling you my PC specs. Storage is also okay. Fine. I have a good that I think I don't have this thing. I'm not sure. Graphics is okay. I don't have this graphics. What I have. But wait. Okay. So but wait. This is I have the minimum. If you go with the minimum, I have the minimum things. So probably I can download Warface, and if you want to see the pics, videos of it, just click scroll this. I want to see it actually. The interface. You can just watch the videos. Just, yeah, see. Very like just click on get. If you click on get, then like wait. Yeah, so like probably from May, I think in May month, mid May, there was super sale going on. There are giving some games free. Which, okay, that was so good. Even I got Among Us from there. Among Us, yeah, Among Us and Guinea Impact. So with this, you can see 00 blah 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 blah. Just click on here. If you want, so this thing is not mandatory for you guys. If you want to give your email to the my.games, which is the creator of this game, if you want to give it, you can give it. But I don't want to give it, so no payment because this is free. If you're you're getting a game of like any paid version, then if you need to go for this step, okay, then you can come and check out. So yeah, I don't want to give my email. Just click on place order and boom, it is done. So well, there would be a email will be coming in your email ID. If what email you give in that email will come that your game has been installed, like a receipt slipped. It will come. Okay. So probably wait, I'll show you that thing also. It should be now. I'm opening Google because yeah, just like that. I don't have any specific reason for it. Specific reason. Something else. Of my Google is hanged. It will take time. So till that time, It is done. And now if you click on name library, you may go to, it will show you this library. I have so many games. See. So probably here is the Warface, and I have Fortnite and Glitchy and Among Us. I got Among Us for free because it's like did it came? No, it didn't came. Probably it may take time. That email is just useless. It's not useless, but it is just for your like guidelines, guide, guidance. It's just for your verification. Okay. So probably this is warfare. You can just click on like this thing. It will take you to show page. But no, when you click on this, you just click on it like this, where it will give you where you want to save warfare. So it's saving me in this thing. Just you can create a shortcut also, but I don't want to. I just create like click. Should I create it? I don't need it. Okay, if you want to, you can take it and do select auto update. Otherwise, you need to click on update, and it is just whenever you open Epic Games, it will start updating the game. So I always on auto update. That is the best. Just click on browse, and wherever you want to save, you may save it. So I want to save it in my data disk, which is my D drive, and that big. I'm gonna create a new folder actually. Folder what is or okay see and just click on select folder and as you can see and just click on install. Boom. So with this convert this process depending on the, as you can see, see it's 111 like we level 111 Mbps. If the Mbps is too low, like Among Us or Genish Impact, it will like download it fast and depending on your internet speed. Yeah, again I'm saying depending on your internet. See, it's my internet speed is okay, fine, okay, and the MB is not also too good, too much. So it's downloading fast. Actually, Among Us is a little no Among Us is also kind of equal to it, but Among Us got downloaded too fast. So that time my network would be better. It's okay, fine, okay. So probably I'll mute you after downloading because it's a very slow process, means very fast process because this is not a big game too much. I'll mute you when this game's like is over, finished downloading. Okay, fine, yeah. So guys, the download is done. It didn't took like as I just stopped it, paused it. Suddenly, like in 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it's 10 seconds, it just started. So this is Warface. If you have added shortcut, then it will come here. But I didn't have. I have not added any shortcuts, so it's just staying that. So if you want, if suddenly it closes, Epic Games closes, then you may just it would be on your this thing, but like hidden icon show you like whatever we call it. I don't know. Sorry. So just click on just right click it and then you can see your games. And there's some URL engine. I don't know much knowledge about it, but you may go check it out on if you want a video on this, I do get knowledge about this and make a video on it. Okay. So for I have 3 games, so I have Warface. So just click on open it, or you can make just open Epic Games and just click on the icon, whatever you okay. So now Warface will be opening now, and I don't know why I was just okay. I need to sign in that, like things I need to do a lot of things. Okay, fine. It's gonna take probably like it will takes time. See, it's this as you can see, it's loading probably. Option probably yeah. See, bot. So the way it's gonna update starting. See this install necessary components means like it's fully safe. You're not worry. Otherwise, so alert box will come from my antivirus. So I just click on close. Okay, fine. It's not gonna. Okay, suddenly it have downloaded my games. I think so. Okay, it's gonna just start. Just I think so. Oh no, I just opened Windows terminal. As you can see, it's whenever I my PC is something is here. Whenever it's some game is loading and I refresh rate decreases. Okay, fine. It's gonna fully take updating thing. So I'll just leave it alone and I guess it's gonna. As you can see, guys, it has. Probably, I think so. All my apps, if I go, I think it has my games installed. It doesn't have my games, so like just updating it probably, like you can see. Okay, so this was the tutorial of how you can download Epic Games and install any game from it. Okay, if you're using a paid version, the same process. Just click on get that game, something, get the game like that, and you need to payment the like credit card or debit card or net banking, some stuff like that, and then you make the checkout, and boom, you are ready. I'll give you these. I'll give you the slipped of the game warfares. I'll give you at the end or some in middle also. It would be like, oh, flying maybe. Okay, I don't know. I'll do it while editing. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you did it. Like this video, share this content, subscribe to my channel to get my. Sorry, wait. I'll do the outro again. Okay. Fine. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video, share this content, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Boom.